Today we will do air conditioning. How do we get cold air from air conditioning? The principle is the same whether it's a ship's air condition or a room air condition, central air conditioning or car air conditioning. There is a compressor which consists of a cylinder and a piston, connecting rod of piston and crankshaft, similar to a diesel engine. But here there is no fuel injected, so the space above the piston is filled with freon gas, and the crank is rotated by means of electric motor, electric power. So once the crank is rotated, the piston moves up and freon gas gets compressed. So the freon gas goes in this pipeline and to condenser. So this is a compressor, this is a condenser. On ship, now this freon gas which is gone here, it becomes compressed and therefore becomes hot. Anything you compress becomes hot. So here you get a freon gas of about 90 degrees. It goes in the condenser. In the ship's condenser, seawater is entered here and exit from here. The seawater cools this pipe and this gas becomes a liquid. Still it's a hot liquid which comes out from here. So this freon liquid here is also at about 90 degrees, but now it's liquid. Here it was gas. Then it flows into a evaporator. This is a evaporator. So these are the three main components of an air conditioning system: evaporator, compressor and condenser. Now here there is a here the freon gas, it's a liquid now, it gets suddenly expanded, sudden expansion. So any liquid when it expands suddenly it gets cooled. So this gas liquid here becomes a gas and it becomes cooled. There is a valve here which is known as a regulator valve, also known as expansion valve, also known as throttle valve. So this valve you can control how much cooling you want. If it's for accommodation air conditioning, you can have a cooling of plus 18. If it is for vegetable room, plus 10 degrees. If it is for fish room, minus 20. If it is for meat room, minus 15. So that can be controlled from here. So this gas which enters here becomes cold. Let's say plus 18 degrees for your room air conditioning. Now if you have a fan here, this fan, now this gas becomes plus 18. So these pipes also, these are called evaporator pipes, also become 180 degrees centigrade. And if you have a blower here, a fan, as soon as this warm air comes in contact with this cold pipe, it becomes cold. And then this air is directed to your central air conditioning blowers, in various rooms and you get air conditioning. Finally, this gas goes back to the compressor. Again it is compressed, again the cycle starts 90 degrees centigrade. So this is the hot area. This area is hot area, 90 degrees centigrade, gas, liquid, and this is the cold area. So this is the principle of air conditioning.